Hey y'all, this is A. Renee from Journal, Jot, and Jive. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, welcome to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hey y'all. Alright, it's time to open up these journals, planners, and all the stationery things so you can get things done. Alright. Hey J3 crew, welcome to Sunday, September 5th, 2021. Alright y'all, so today I am doing a little back planning. All right, I have not been in my planner in quite some time, but I'm going to go ahead and set up my monthly spread all right, we're going to set up this monthly spread in my Goldmine and CoCo daily planner, and I'm also going to use some of the sticker sheets from Goldmine and CoCo. All right, so you will see me utilizing the planner, 3 different sticker sheets. I'm going to have some Tombow markers as well as a pen by Scribbles by KP, and I think that's it. No, it's not. It's not. We're going to also use some distressed ink. So we're going to distress the edges of the pages first, and then I'll go in and put down some date stickers, and then I'll bring the page to life. Okay, so something that I like to do in my planners is do my creative pages on my monthly spread. I every now and then will put stickers on my daily pages, but for the most part, when it comes to being creative with stickers and things, I like doing the monthly spread, and I also like using stickers in my journal. So if you are a person that shies away from the monthly spread because you don't know what to do with it, this is a great page to get creative on. So again, if you're not utilizing this page, pull out the stickers that you have, put them on the page. Another idea with the monthly layout, you can do one thing that you're thankful for each day, a word of the day, and define it. You know, we want to push our what do we call that? You can go ahead and get a little more educated. We all have something that we can learn daily. So a word of the day. You could also do an affirmation for the day. So there are so many things that you can do with the monthly layout, especially if it's something that you're not utilizing and you feel like, oh man, something's going to waste. All right, so have fun with your pages. Let me know in the comment section, what do you do with your monthly spread? All right, I look forward to hearing from you. Enjoy the rest of the video. And before you leave, if you've made it this far, make sure you go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and share the video with someone